I chose biochemistry at Swansea because it's top in Wales for biological sciences and has excellent outcomes for graduates. This isn't surprising, as the medical school has world-leading research, so all our lecture content is up to date and delivered by leaders in their field. Our biochemistry degrees cover the chemical processes occurring in living things, cellular interactions and molecular cell biology, giving you an in-depth understanding of the biochemical functioning of living organisms. Biochemistry is crucial to the study and treatment of diseases, the development of pharmaceuticals, and understanding our complex relationships with the environment. Choosing to study biochemistry at Swansea, you will join a small and friendly community with the top 3 ranking in medicine to match. I love that the staff will go above and beyond to help and support students. When I'm not studying, I take every opportunity to be involved in the many sports and societies available. And no matter the weather, a trip to the Gower or the beach is always a great way to spend free time.